you all. So sorry I have not been posting. I've been under the weather, just recently recovering. Had a very, very bad cold. I am doing a clean with me here of my aunt's refrigerator. She is disabled, so just helping her out with getting her refrigerator situated here. I just been staying with her here and there, not every day, but here and there. I'm just trying to help her as much as I can, and her situation has simmered down some here, so she's gotten that all straightened. So it's been a lot more peaceful, but just wanted to share this with you all so that y'all could see what I did for her. I surprised her, so she was just completely ecstatic that this was completed for her. All right, guys, enjoy the video. All right, you all. So I hope you enjoyed the video. She really loved the outcome of, me organizing and getting her all clean here so she can find things and doesn't have to bend over in the fridge as much because she is on a cane. So she struggles some. So I was able to get her all straightened out and got everything all organized and set to where she knows where it is. So definitely make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely will be posting more videos here in the near future. So make sure you keep up with me. But the only way to keep up is to smack that subscribe button. I mean, you might as well. You're already here.